Through the development for more than 20 years, Suzhou Xinglu has been the leading manufacturer in Chinese ASU area. With technology research and development as our core, we provide ASU, NG liquefying plant, deep utilization plant of chemical industry, off-gas for metallurgical, petrochemical, energy, and other industries. By the year of 2017, Suzhou Xinglu has been granted more than 100 items of invention patent and utility model patent in total. Invention patents accounting for 70% of them. And many new invention patents will get approval successively. Our factory is equipped with advanced production and testing tools. We adhere to international industry standard. To operate and control strictly all production details. For important products, we adopt double-side welding, which simultaneously weld both inside and outside with inert gas as the medium, to effectively guarantee the safety and quality of welding, no matter the process of preliminary design or production. Suzhou Xinglu always adheres to meticulous work attitude to ensure the precision and high safety of each set of plant.